Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the first video of the playlist for cloning a Disney Plus website using MERN stack. Sorry if I haven't posted in a while as I'm still working on something else. So in this video, I'm going to give you a demo of what we will be making in the rest of this playlist. So here, as you can see, we got some navbar with the links, search bar, the subscribe button or link, the changing language select, and the login form. Some of this link is fully working, and some of this is not. And also we got the generate drop down link. And if I click one of this link, it will just redirect me to the home page. But for this search bar and the button, the select language and login, it fully working. Like for example, I will type the film. There is maybe the turning red. It will show the result of the turning red. But if I just typing just T, it will show all of the movie that have T in the title. And if the result is more than 4, it will give me the button to see more result of this keyword. If I click see more result in here, it redirected me to the search page, and here it is showing all result for T. Now we go back to the home, and here we can also change our language website. If I click the Indonesia one, it will change all of this to the Indonesia language, like for example serial, film, local, and so on. I will change this back to the English, and here we got the subscribe button where it will redirect us to the subscribe page. If I click it, as you can see here, it is redirected me to the subscribe page. It is for the payment. It is not be functional for now, but I will just make the front end for now. Now I will show you the rest of the website before we go to the login. In here, we got the movie slider, the basic movie slider that is have the title, the year, the category, limit, description, and the jumbotron image of the movie. And if I click one of this arrow, it will slide to the next, or it will scroll to the right or left. Now we go to now if we scroll down, you will see some of this movie list. I already imported it by myself. So we got the cartoon, trending, and the popular movie, and the coming soon list movie. For all of this, it's the same, but different. It's just the content. And if I hover this list movie, it will show for us some arrow button icon that can be used for slide through all of this list. If I click the right arrow button, it will scroll to the right. And because we don't have quite a lot of movie, it just can be scrolled one time. But if we scroll this trending movie list, it can be scrolled 2 times because we have quite a lot movie. I can scroll back to the left and go back to the beginning. And as you can see here, the coming soon part is a little bit different because the used image is not the thumbnail image. It is using the jumbotron template image. And also, if I hover through one of these movie, it will show us the detail of the movie, like the title, the description, the description, the duration, and the button for add to watch list. And as you can see here, if I hover through all of this movie, the cursor is changing to the pointer cursor. It means we can click it because it is a link that's going to redirect us to the detail page of this movie. Like for example, I will click the Moana one, click it, as you can see here, and here we got the detail of the movie, the title, duration, category, limit, description, and some of this button. Not all of this button is working, it's just the watch film, but also the watch list is working. We can watch the film, add to watch list, or share it. There is also the available in, if it is available in the Indonesia and in English. And as you can see, if I click one of this link, it will active or focus and then change the background color of the button or of the label. It is because we are using the Tailwind CSS, and we get the trailer of the movie. If I want to watch the film now, it can because we are not already logged in yet. So as you can see here, I can watch the movie, and if I click if we go back to the home page again, like for example, we try to access the Raya and the Last Dragon. I will click it, wait. Okay, I wrong click it, it will be like this. And as you can see here, we get the same template of the details. And if I want to watch film again, it can't because you are not already logged in. We have to log in, but since this is the demo video, I will show you the register first and then the login. Now here we got the email input and the button for login or register, because this button is going to be it's like a select button. So if you want to log in, you click the login. If you want to register, you click the register. Now let's register. Go to the login, type the email alicia@gmail.com, and then register. And for the username is Alicia, and the password is just going to be 12345. Continue. It is already registered. After the user is registered, now we can try to log in. I will write Gmail, alicia@gmail.com, and for now, we are going to choose the login and put the password. The password is 12345. Click continue, and as you can see here, the login link is changing to the username, and we got a new list here. It is the watch list. Here in this list is going to show all of the movie that we already added to our watch list. First, I will refresh it. Now, for example, I want to add the Moana and Ralph Breaks the Internet. I will click the add to watch list. I'm sorry. For example, I want to add this Moana. I want to add this Ralph Breaks the Internet. I will click it and try to refresh. Wait a second, it is still loading. And here we get to Moana and Ralph Breaks the Internet. This is our watch list, and also we can scroll it if you have quite a lot of the watch list. Now how about if we want to watch some movie? and because you are already logged in now, we can see the movie. Now let's click one of this movie, like for example the Zootopia. I will click it, or maybe I will search here. I will scroll to the right, and I will choose the Coco. Click the watch film, and here as you can see, the website is changing to the video mode. Here it is the video, and below it is the title and some more details. We also still got our trailer. As you can see, we got the movie, and now everything done for the user page. Here we got the navbar, movie slider, watch list, some movie list, the coming soon list, and also we can scroll through it, hover the movie to get the details of the movie, like the title, description, duration, and the button for add to watch list. We got the change language select. For the active one is English, but if we change to Indonesia, it is still working. And for the subscribe page, we'll change it back to the English. And now I will talk about the admin page here. I will refresh, and here as you can see, if I haven't logged in first, it will, for example, I want to access all of this page, I can, because I wasn't logged in. So here I'm going to log in. My username or Gmail is admin@gmail.com, and for the password is admin. I will click the login. It is going, and as you can see, and here as you can see, we got, after we log in, we can access the user page, the new list, and so on. And also, if you go to the home page, it will show some basic chart here. And since I was just creating it in 1 month, it will just show 1 month in here, like for example the September. And also we get a new user for. Now let's try to add. Now we will try to add some of these movies lists, some of this movie and list. And also we are going to delete or edit it later. Like for example in here, I will delete this one, the newest one here in the delete button. I will click it, and as you can see, it is disappearing. If you look up the description, it will be different with the movie that we just deleted. Now let's edit one of this, like for example this star. I will edit, and as you can see here, if I click the edit button, it will redirect it to the movie page, to the movie detail page. And also, if you are wondering where all of this data coming, because I'm not using the ID inside of this URL, it is because I'm using the URL state that come from the React Router DOM. I'm using the version 6, by the way. Now let's change this to might be Thor and then Ragnarok. Now let's edit it. Click the update button and refresh the page. And here, as you can see, we got the title is changing to Thor Ragnarok. As we've done with the deleting and editing and some movie, now we can add some of this movie here. Maybe I will prepare for you some basic assets, like for example the image, the thumbnail, and the jumbotron image, and the trailer and the trailer or the video for the movie. But for now, I will just going to import all of this. I will import here. I will drag and drop it from my Windows Explorer. The thumbnail is going to be here. Wait a second, I have to search my trailer or video. I will use the Cocoa one. Here, I will put it in here. Now, let's fill out some form. Now, let's fill out our title. The title is going to be Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers. And for the description, it's just, wait a second, it's just I'm going to copy it from the Disney Plus. Wait, we'll copy and paste it here. For the year is 20 is for the year is 2022, and for the genre is going to be comedy, and for the limit is PG, and the duration is 1 hour and 36 minutes. The series is no, because this one is a movie, and for the coming soon is no, because this movie is already released. Now if I upload, you will see nothing, but actually what's going on here is, oh wait a second. Okay, so it is because I was not passing the image for the thumbnail. Now let's click the upload again, and let's see. As you can see here, we got the upload running. This is the process of uploading our image thumbnail, image jumbotron, video and trailer to the Firebase. Yes, we are going to use Firebase to store our image and our video. Now just wait until this uploading is done, and after this uploading is done, this upload button is going to change to create button. Now as you can see here, the uploading is already done. It's 100%, and the button is changing to create. If I click this button, it will create the movie. And here, if you see in the inspect, and inside of this network, we got the movie. Here is the movie that we just created. We have to refresh it if we want to add a new one. Now let's check it out inside of this movie, if it is added or not. And as you can see here, we got our new Chip and Dale's Rescue Ranger movie. Now let's add new list for that new movie. To do that, go to the list, and then here we are going to change the cartoon list. I'm going to edit it, and same like the movie, it will take us to the details of the list, but for the form it's a little bit different. Instead of showing some text input, here's is the select input. Now let's select all of the movie that we want to change. Here we're gonna have to add this Chip and Dale. I'm also going to add Turning Red. Ryan Lost Dragon, Bracket Left, Ralph, Moana, Frozen, Cinderella, Zootopia, Frozen, Big Hero, Coco, and Encanto. After selecting all of the movie, click Update, and now let's refresh it. Maybe there's nothing changed, but actually, if you look inside of this user page, we have our new Chip and Dale movie here. That means our updating list is working. Now, let's delete some of this. Like for example, I don't need this trending movie list. I'm just going to delete it. Okay, it is already deleted. Well, there was cut it, but it is already deleted and same like in a movie. It is automatically deleted. And maybe we are going to restore the old list. And here I'm going to make a new one. Title is equal to trending, and then the genre is going to be family. And maybe I will just choose all of this from here to here and from here, because this movie is coming soon. We don't want to add coming soon instead of this trending movie list. I will create it, and here we got the trending. For the user page, we can't do much, and here we just going to I just going to make something like viewing the user. So what is the username of the user? The email, is it admin or not? Let's go back to the home. And now after we see all of the function and the feature of these websites, let's see how this website looks in a responsive mode. We can go back to the user page, and I will open up my inspect element and change the website to the responsive mode. And here I'm going to change it to the laptop mode. And as you can see, the navbar and all of the component is scaled up based on the device width. And also inside of this responsive mode or in the tablet mode, the movie list can be scrolled just by the touch. So we don't need the arrow button anymore. We can just scroll it to the right or to the left. Now let's scale it up a little bit more to the tablet mode, and in here the navbar is changing to just the logo and the button for subscribe. And also we got this button bar to replace the link inside of this navbar. And if we click this menu icon, and here as you can see, we got the close button, the user icon, the username, and it is logged in via email. We got the link for the watch list, the switch to the kids mode, but it is not working yet, and the link for the genre, same if we are like inside of this laptop mode in here. Now let's go to the tablet mode, to the mobile mode. In here the image is still good, the size of the image still good, and it is sizing based on the device width. And if we click this search, it is a little bit different from the desktop one, because if we are in desktop, we just have to write to write the keyword inside of the search input, and it will automatically give us the result. But in here, if we click this search icon, it will open up a new window or a new form that we can start typing the keyword in here. So I will start for turning red, and as you can see here, I got the all result, not like in the desktop where you have to see more result and so on. And also I can clear up my searching keyword using this X button and go back or hidden this search using this back icon. And I think that's it. This is the first video where we just demo our website, and I hope you enjoy it. And make sure you hit the subscribe and the bell icon so then you can know when I am update this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a like and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.